important those the athletic whistles to do that? Oh God, I forgot that. Okay, never mind. I think I'll make up with my claps for tonight. Hello, good evening. Who's going to ask and what do I say? Okay.
Center look. An answer about your dress.
Well, my dress, Tanya Kanuja. I wanted to just keep it as GQ-ish as possible, keeping the feminine element intact. So, yes, it's Tanya Kanuja for tonight.
All our audience want to listen whether you can whistle or not. On
No, I cannot.
Why?
No, I can't. I am used to only hearing it. I'm not used to whistling for anyone. I'm sorry, I'm very bad at it.
There are lots of men walking on the ramp
Oh yeah. So I should have gotten those the athletic whistles to do that. Oh God, I forgot that. Okay, never mind. I think I'll make up with my claps for tonight.
Probably you can try on real. Like we can edit in.
Yeah, just dub it.
Anything in particular you would like to say tonight?
No, it's the first time I'm actually sitting for an all-men fashion show. So, which girl wouldn't want to be in my position today and right now? So, I'm looking forward for each and every person who's going to be walking the ramp, including the designers and clothes as well. So, yes, so looking forward to everything tonight. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, it's really sad. I don't know who to blame or what to blame for what is happening, but I just hope whatever little we can do in terms of helping them, be it with food, or there's been a lot of apps like Zomato who are helping them. But if you order something, they're gonna order the same thing for someone who needs it. So there are a lot of people who are, having different ways of helping. Let's just find our way and help them out because it's not their fault that they're suffering with this. The airways, the whole runway is clogged. So they can't even. It's like emergency situation almost in Chennai. I hope the entire country realizes it and on a humanity level does something about it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in touch with them. They all are fine. In fact, there are a few actors, friends of mine. Even in their houses, there's water in the bathrooms, in the living room. So it's not like the upper strata of the society is not suffering. It's the same for everyone. When nature attacks, I don't think anyone can be left. So there are a lot of friends of mine from the industry in whose house they've given pictures of boats and some like paper boats floating inside their house. So it's really bad. It's really bad.